Start by loading the Airbrush with Amerimist Food Coloring and test the airflow on a piece of paper towel. Adjust the airflow dial until you find a setting that works well. Place the stencil into the Stencil Genie and put it over the cookie. Put magnets on the stencil to hold it flat to the cookie surface. Aim the airbrush straight down through the stencil to build the color gradually. Use a spare airbrush needle to hold the stencil flat as you color the cookie edges. Adjust the magnets to hold down different sides of the stencil while you airbrush. For these cookies, we stencil each side separately while the magnets hold down the edge. Simply place the Stencil Genie over the next cookie to keep stenciling.